Alright, so in this video, we're going to look at the Euclidean distance. We have an airport that is surrounding the study area we've been working on. So we need to create an Euclidean distance, more like distance from airport. So we'll be using the Euclidean distance tool. So to do that, you go to search and you search Euclidean, or then you see Euclidean distance, allocation, and the rest. Or you go to Arc toolbox and then you go to spatial analyst and then distance, then you see Euclidean distance down here. So you double click on it and you input the feature, which is airport, and let's leave it at this side on the default geodatabase. Then we go to environment. Then under processing extent, we change it to our study. Then we go down to raster analysis. We scroll down to marks, and then we also say study. So we click OK. We click OK. This environment we just said means make sure you force it to cover the whole of this, so that you don't have to come and after creating it as a rectangle or a triangle, you don't have to come back and ask it to clip again. Okay, I will do that other one so that you see the difference. So let me pick another Euclidean distance, and then we will bring in the airport, and then we will not do any other thing. I will click OK, so that you see the difference. Well, I don't know why it refused. So let's do this. We'll bring in the airport and we click OK. So let's change location to it. I just wanted you to see some of how it's going to react. So let's just find somewhere here and put it, just say GG or something. Then we have to put .tif, okay, because it's a raster. Okay, so put .tif. Alright, so once that is done, let's click OK. Hope that it works. It didn't work, I don't know why, but I just wanted to show you. But then you can see that our Euclidean distance is created. So it's created like the form of a buffer with the distance around the whole study area. So from this yellow side, if we pick our measure tool, so this is going to measure in meters. Okay, so let's say we measure from this to this. You see there's 3 kilometers to this, 7 kilometers to this, 11 kilometers to this, 15 to this. Let's take it all the way to here. It's 32 kilometers. So basically it just created more like some buffer around it so that you know the distance away from the airport. Alright, so this is how to use Euclidean distance, and I will see you in the next video, so stay tuned.